logo hang and auto restart. If your TV is stuck on the startup logo or keeps restarting continuously, try performing a hard reset. Benefits of performing a reset. A factory reset clears all temporary glitches, removes faulty app data, and restores the TV to its original settings, just like when you first purchased it. This often helps resolve persistent issues without needing service support. Fire TV. Method 1. Hard reset. Step 1. Unplug the power cord from the power socket. Step 2. Press and hold the TV physical power button below, then plug the power cord back and release the power button. Step 3. Recovery window will open. Step 4. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset option from the window. Press the power button below the TV to move down the menu. Press and hold the power button below the TV to select the option. Step 5. Select Yes to wipe data factory reset. Step 6. Select Reboot System now. Once the reset is being done, TV will convert to its original factory settings and will go to the TV setup page.